Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. In our review of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Duo, which you can find a link to in the description below, I mentioned in my concluding thoughts that I felt the S10's under-display fingerprint reader was a bit slower and less reliable than a traditional one. Many of you were quick to point out that other YouTubers have shown a better way of using the sensor. Now I won't comment on other videos, but I just wanted to give you a demo of how it's working on the unit we have. We'll let you be the judge. So here we have the Galaxy S10 Plus, functionally the same as the S10 for this test. I'll go ahead and enroll a fresh fingerprint. Here we go. So now that we're all set up, let's try it out. Not too bad, but I'm not blown away by the speed here. Many of you have said that holding your finger down is actually the wrong way to use the reader. Since it uses ultrasonic technology, all you have to do is tap it, and it will work even faster that way. Let's try it out. It does seem to be a bit faster, but it doesn't register every time I tap this quickly. I usually need to hit it at least twice, not too consistent. I keep getting a message here. Please keep your finger on the sensor a little longer. I think it also has to do with exactly where you press, but there's no indicator. I guess you have to have some muscle memory here, but why does it have to be this complicated? Just as a comparison, let's try the under-display reader of the OnePlus 6T. This one uses optical technology, not ultrasonic. Again, I'll enroll my finger. The speed seems about the same as we saw on the S10, or maybe even a little faster. But you do have to press it twice, once to turn on the reader and once again to use it. Let's just try tapping it quickly. Nope. I should expect that doesn't work here. Okay, now let's enroll onto the rear-mounted sensor on the Galaxy S9 Plus. There's a mirror here so you can see both sides of the phone. Sure, it's not as cutting edge, but it seems reliable. Of course, there are competitors which are even faster. So in conclusion, we're gonna stick to the impressions that we had from the S10 review. This under-display fingerprint reader isn't that bad, but in everyday use we got a lot more missed attempts here than on other phones we've tested lately. There should be an update coming soon that's supposed to make it more reliable. We'll see. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.